This is exactly what I said. We have to basically increase the areas of convergence, reduce the areas of divergence, and bring about a change in the mindset of the various stakeholders to achieve better coordination amongst the stakeholders for the project. See, there are certain areas where PPPs have already got established. PPPs as a method of procurement have already got established, but there are still large areas which are yet to be tapped. In India, for example, I'll tell you, one of the states, one of the recently carved out states is developing a new capital. Large components of this project are being bid out on PPP basis. The entire roads are being done on PPP basis, the IT backbone is being done on PPP basis, the BRTS system which is being planned in the city, the works. I mean, the entire city is being developed on a PPP basis. There are packages which are being bid out, and so this is one area, development of satellite towns, development of new cities. Entire cities can be done on PPP basis. The government can, take care of the social obligations, the social sectors, the education and the health, etc., whereas leaving urban development to the private sector participants. Then HSR, high-speed rail projects also. Not many projects have been done on PPP. There's one example in Taiwan, which is a large project which was done on PPP basis, but by and large, HSR projects have been funded by the governments alone. So this is one area where PPPs can be done in a big way. There's some 10,000 kilometers of HSR capacities under implementation. The funds requirement for this sector is huge. It is not possible for any government to meet it on its own. So that is one area where PPP would be done. And another interesting thing I'll tell you, we are doing a special investment region called Dholera SIR in Gujarat. It is spread over a little over 600 square kilometers. It's a special investment region on the lines of Shenzhen in China. And this also is being developed, bulk of it I would say is being developed on PPP basis. So these are some of the areas where, we'll see more and more investments in PPP space happening.